All right, good morning. Welcome to the Oracle Disciple. It is Monday around 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and we are back in the BitSeven leverage trading platform. We are in the Bitcoin platform, and we have started our trade down to this morning at 11,781 to the downside. And as you can see, we locked in right here at 11,781, and we're playing a down trade. Okay, made a couple changes to the platform for me, just for a little bit more use for YouTube, the YouTube channel. Changed the background, changed a little bit here to highlight a little bit more, so everyone can see a couple of these moves with a little bit more clarity. Also changed the time frame in the bottom to my time, Eastern Standard Time. Obviously, the book over here is still Central Standard Time. So just a few of those house cleaning things in order to let everybody know. There's the big drop right there. Here we go. And you're live right now. You are live again, 10:36 Eastern Standard Time. And you are live witnessing this 11,781 call directional trade to the downside after reviewing TradingView.com, the 2 hour to 4 hour and 6 hour. Playing this move right here from 11,781 at 10:28. It is now 10:36, and we are down to 11,746 and dropping. Okay, so that's a 40-point move right here to the downside, and we're going to keep this trade in and see what happens here. There's a 5-minute video, so we'll keep and see what happened here in the next couple minutes to see what it is. But it's just a simple trade. Again, using, boom, popped right on, turned the video on, entered in the current price, limit order, called the direction based on your charting. I recommend, if you're coming in from the weekend, having trade all weekend long, obviously you want to check out, see what kind of news is going, what's happening. To kind of give you a little bit of psychological indicator as to what's happening. There was a lot of activity this morning between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m., obviously Eastern Standard Time. Most of the folks probably up in New York after the weekend, back in their offices or whatever, I don't know. But it was really, really choppy, wide swings, which is great. But the direction was kind of, like I said, choppy. And there really wasn't clear. But now, mid-morning, we're getting a little bit more to the downside here. And so we're starting to come back a little bit here, but that was a great 40-point, 45-point move here. Conservative traders could have gotten out, exited here, would exit right now before this whip comes. But we're going to take a look at it and see what happens. Like, obviously, you could have played that 40-point bump, exited your trade here, generated a nice P&L, 20-25% return minus fees. The fees on this would be about 6% for this trade. And you can see the bulls are coming back. The buyers are coming back here. Look at that wide whip up to the front. Here it comes all the way up. Okay, so that was just one little swing right there. One simple trade right there to get you going on a Monday morning to generate you, extra Bitcoin, right? That's really what this is about, is generating you some more Bitcoin with limited capital outlay. Or obviously, you could trade with however much Bitcoin you want. However, we gear these videos really for the small guy, little guys, trading, $100, $50, $100, $200 at a time, not to $12,000 at a time. Obviously, you can do that. But we really want to concentrate on, mastering directional trading and entry and exit points, right? That's really what we want to do here. Okay, so now you're seeing this come all the way back. All right, so that's a simple illustration of a little downside trade here. And now this is going to come up. We'll take a look at this again in an hour or so and see what happens. But that was just a simple first trade this morning on Monday. All right, see you next time from the Oracle Disciple. Please like and subscribe to the channel.